Hello there, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty YouTube channel, and I am back again today to share a notebook that I have decorated with Glass Etch Vinyl. I hope you'll stick around and see what I create. So in yesterday's video, I shared with you how I did a little test on a Dollar Tree notebook using Glass Etch Vinyl. And I liked it so much how it came out. You just kind of have a faint kind of watermark look that I decided I'm going to go ahead and decorate this book. I talked about this also yesterday. I got it at Michael's for only $2.50. My vision for this book, when I am done creating it, it will just be a place where I maybe jot down some ideas for videos or where I sketch out new cards for sheetload of cards. Instead of having that type of stuff on scraps of paper all over, I want to keep everything in here. So I kind of wanted to have an inspirational quote for the front, and let me show you what I found online. A couple weeks ago, I stumbled upon craftbundles.com when I was looking for some SVG files to cut with my silhouette, and I am so glad I did. On their site, not only do they have lots of good deals that you can purchase, but they also have some freebies that you can test out to make sure that they work with your cutting software and your cutter. Not only do they have individual files that you can get for free, they also have a free bundle. So this would include lots of different files that would be great to start crafting with. Now, I have been looking through a lot of the dollar deals. They have some great images, lots of fun summer ones. Not only do they have these adorable individual files, but they also sell bundles. And in these bundles, you get fonts, you get SVG or cut files, you get some clip art, and they are a bargain deal. Like this one here, the Party-rific bundle, 60 cut files and 120 clip arts. Or down here, my favorite right now is this June craft bundle. For $19, which is super cheap, there are 13 fonts, 300 cut files, and 400 clip arts. And even better, you get a full commercial license with these. Now, you will want to read the specifics to make sure it will work with what you want to sell, but it's pretty generous when I read through it. They have all these fun fonts, adorable images, and cut files. And then if you go down to the bottom, it tells you more about what all is included. And look, you just keep scrolling and scrolling. And for the fonts, I mean, you can pay $100 for a font if you're looking as a designer. So to get all this for only $19, you might want to hop on it. Now, if you want to consider buying anything from craftbundles.com, I do have an affiliate link below, and I would love it if you would consider using that link if you're going to come buy something. I might receive a small commission from the sale at no additional cost to you. And I do want to warn you, this ending in 8 days, I think it's serious, because when I first got here to craftbundles.com, I went to the quotes section and I scrolled down and I fell in love with this quotes bundle. Great fonts and just tons of great hand lettered quotes, and I was going to buy it. And I went over to add it to my cart, and the bundle has ended. So they do actually quit selling these. Now, I do have a little message in on Facebook asking if they ever bring these back, because I am all over $14 for this bundle. So when I was getting ready to make my notebook today, I went to the freebies section, and on the second page, I found this one right here. And I thought this was perfect for kind of an inspirational quote for the front of my notebook. Once you log in, which I'm not logged in now because it's my full name, once you log in, you can just click download and download the file. You don't have to put it in your cart and pretend to purchase it since it's a freebie. They just let you download it. So again, I would go check this out if I were you. I can't wait to see what bundles the next month brings. I'm hoping maybe that quote one comes back. But now that I've showed you the website, let's go ahead and get back over to the project. So once I found that quote and got it set up in my Silhouette software, I went ahead and cut it on the Glass Etch Vinyl. I mentioned it yesterday, but the settings that I use for this are blade of 2, speed of 7, pressure of 5. Now, if you get some of this and you want to try it on your own cutting machine, you might have to play with that, but I got lucky the first time, so I just saved that as a new type of paper, so I don't have to look that up online every time I do it. I'll go ahead now and weed this, and then you can see me put it onto the notebook and see the final product. Once the image was all weeded, I used my transfer tape to get it off of the backing and then onto the notebook. And you'll notice that when I used my flat edge or my scraper, I really went around all the edges. I turned at different angles just to make sure it came off just like I wanted it on that transfer tape. And the first time everything did lift off, so once that was ready, I put it on my notebook. I have to say, this turned out so much neater than I imagined. I just love the subtle look of the sentiment on there. I am so glad that I decided to give this a try. If you enjoyed this video, as always, I appreciate a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and would like to know when I upload more videos, I hope you'll hit the subscribe button below and click on that little bell for notifications. And to my regular viewers and subscribers, thanks so much for stopping back by. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. I hope that you'll check out one of the videos that I have linked above, and if you're interested in any of the products that I used today in my video, I have linked what I could find in my description box below. Some of these links are affiliate links, which means I get a small percentage of the sale if you choose to use the link I give you. Thank you for your time and consideration.